silang recommended lipstick. What am I trying to say? So the red lipstick, the red para ma-compare. Hi guys, this is Rhaze. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a different kind of video. Someone requested for me to do this a while back. Sabi ko sure gagawin ko siya, but hindi ko siya ginawa. But now I will try and see if this trick works. As you guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, problema ko yung under eyes ko because as you guys can see, it's dark. I'm looking at makeup.com right now, so I will leave their links below. Hindi ko gawa-gawa lang to. I'm basing this on their website. I don't have any face makeup on. Obviously, I have my lipstick on and then my eyebrows are filled. But face makeup, nah. Yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and see if this works. Okay, getting really close and personal here. Okay, so website, meron silang recommended na lipstick shade based on your skin tone. So, for example, if you have light, fair skin, the lipstick shade that you should use is red with pink undertone. If you have medium skin, the purplish red. And then if you have dark skin, the coral orangey red. And I have dark skin tone basing on the picture that they have in here. I was gonna say I have medium skin tone, but when I looked at the picture, I was like, no, that's not my skin tone at all. I'm dark. Okay, so the coral orangey red lipstick that I have is the one from Jordana Matte Lipstick. As you guys can see, it's a very obvious orangey red lipstick. So sabi dito, after mo daw i-apply yung foundation mo, apply the red lipstick under your eyes and the surrounding region of your eyeball. I personally will not apply foundation. I don't think the results will change even if I apply foundation or not. Sabi din dito, use it with an eyeshadow brush. I'm not gonna do that. Ako talaga ay hindi nagfa-follow ng rules. I'm just gonna use the bullet and apply it directly on my eyes. Who needs eyeshadow brush though? And gagawin ko itong side na muna na para ma-compare natin. Next thing is to take your favorite concealer and cover the red layer completely using a beauty blender or sponge to blend the color naturally. I do not have a beauty blender nor a sponge, so I'm just gonna use my fingers. And I will be using my favorite concealer from Mary Kay. I have mine in the shade beige too. So I'm just gonna use my fingers because again, I don't have a freaking beauty blender. And just cover this area completely. I applied a lot of concealer, you guys. I feel like I need to apply way more than the usual because like there's a red freaking lipstick on there. Wait, this is not freaking working at all. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh my gosh, nagiging red na siya. Wait. Anong gagawin ko? Yung lipstick, nag-blend siya sa concealer ng bonggang-bongga and naging red na yung concealer. Hindi naman red, pero pink. So wait, anong gagawin ko dito? I'm gonna use a concealer brush and blend. Oh my goodness. Literally, the lipstick stained my concealer. So now I have pink concealer around my eyes. It looks really weird. Okay, that doesn't look nice. What did I do wrong? That doesn't look good at all, you guys. I'm gonna add more concealer to cover this up. Sobrang dami ng concealer na nilagay ko kanina, plus now I need to add more pa, which kind of sucks. Oh, okay. Now it looks better. Nope. You guys, this area right here looks pink to me. Yes, it did cover my under eye circles. As you guys can see, super obvious ng under eye circles ko dito. Dito nawala na siya. But it's literally pink right now. You know what? I'm gonna do it again on the other side and use a thin layer of the lipstick. So taking the same lipstick, just a really thin one layer. Like so. I'm gonna take this much concealer and then dab it over the red lipstick. So I'm gonna use a different brush. You guys, it looks really pink. Wait, what the heck? What am I doing wrong? I'm gonna add more concealer. I just really wanna conceal the pink. Kasi tsaka, diba? Kapag pink yung mukha mo, nakakaloka. Okay, that's what it looks like right now. I must say, it is way better than kanina. So I suggest kung gusto nyo itry tong trick na to, very thin layer lang ng lipstick. It works naman. It did cover my under eye circles as you guys can see. Tapos medyo aksaya siya ng concealer. Kasi on a regular basis, kapag hindi ko nilalagyan ng red lipstick, as in super konting concealer lang kailangan ko. But with with this trick, with the red lipstick on, kailangan ko mag-pack ng maraming concealer. 2 layers to be exact, para matakpan yung pink. And that's just, for me, a lot of work. And then a waste of concealer. I feel like it's not doing anything special. I don't really want to waste my time adding that extra step. Aksaya lang ng oras, aksaya ng concealer. Personally, I will stay with my regular routine na concealer lang under my eyes. I'm not gonna use the lipstick trick at all. For me, it's not necessary. Let me know what you think about this trick. If you've tried it, did I do something wrong? If you have any makeup tricks that you want to see me try, let me know below. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like if you enjoyed watching, and please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next video. Do not forget, be good, bye!